Electric cars are here and they're changing the world. These vehicles are not just a trend, they represent a significant shift in how we think about transportation. You see them more and more on the roads. From bustling city streets to quiet suburban neighborhoods, electric cars are becoming a common sight. They are quiet and smooth. The absence of engine noise makes for a peaceful driving experience, and the seamless acceleration is a joy for drivers. People are excited about electric cars, enthusiasts gather at car shows, and curious onlookers can't help but admire these sleek, futuristic vehicles. They are the future of driving. With advancements in technology, electric cars are becoming more accessible and practical for everyday use. Why are electric cars so special? It's not just about the lack of noise or the futuristic design. Unlike gasoline cars, they don't burn fuel. This fundamental difference has a profound impact on our environment and our health. This means they don't produce harmful exhaust fumes, no more black smoke or toxic emissions polluting our air. Electric cars are powered by electricity. They can be charged at home, at work, or at public charging stations, making them incredibly convenient. This makes them cleaner and better for the environment. Imagine a world with less air pollution and a smaller carbon footprint. Let's learn more about how these amazing machines work. From their innovative batteries to their efficient motors, electric cars are a marvel of modern engineering. Electric cars have two key components, the electric motor and the battery. These components work together to power the vehicle efficiently and sustainably. Think of the electric motor as the engine of the car. Unlike traditional engines, electric motors are quieter, more efficient, and have fewer moving parts, which means less maintenance. The battery stores electricity like a giant power bank for your phone. It provides the necessary energy to the motor, ensuring the car can travel long distances without needing frequent recharges. When you press the accelerator, the battery sends electricity to the motor. This process is instantaneous, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The electric motor uses this electricity to turn the wheels. This direct transfer of energy makes electric cars highly efficient, converting more of the battery's power into motion. This makes the car move. Electric cars are known for their smooth acceleration and quiet operation, making them a pleasure to drive. It's a simple but powerful system. The synergy between the motor and battery is what makes electric cars a revolutionary step forward in automotive technology. One of the biggest benefits of electric cars is their positive impact on the environment. Traditional gasoline cars release harmful gases into the air. These gases contribute to air pollution and climate change. Electric cars produce zero emissions, making the air cleaner for everyone. By choosing electric, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels like oil. This is a big step towards a healthier planet. Section 4. Driving towards sustainability. Electric cars are crucial for creating a sustainable transportation system. Sustainability means meeting our needs without harming the planet for future generations. Electric cars are a key part of this solution. They promote cleaner energy and reduce our carbon footprint. As we move towards renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, electric cars will become even more sustainable. Section 5. The road ahead, electric cars, and the future. As we look towards the horizon, the landscape of transportation is undergoing a significant transformation. The future of driving is electric. With advancements in technology, electric vehicles are becoming more efficient and reliable. They offer a cleaner, greener alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars, reducing our carbon footprint and helping to combat climate change. Electric cars are constantly improving, with longer ranges and faster charging times. Innovations in battery technology mean that drivers can travel further on a single charge, and new charging stations are popping up everywhere, making it easier than ever to keep your car powered up. More and more charging stations are being built, making it easier to own an electric car. Urban areas are seeing a surge in the installation of these stations, ensuring that drivers have convenient access to power wherever they go. As technology advances, electric cars will become even more affordable and accessible. Manufacturers are working hard to bring down costs, making electric vehicles a viable option for more people. This shift is not just about luxury, it's about making sustainable transportation available to everyone. It's an exciting time to be part of the electric revolution. With more options on the market and continuous improvements in technology, There's never been a better time to consider making the switch to an electric vehicle. Join the movement and be a part of the future of transportation.